folks, Trisha Curtis, CEO of Petronas and host of the Petronas podcast. Apologize for not dropping a video in the last couple weeks. Was very underwater on a deep project. But today is Thursday, October 5th, 2023. We have had some massively erratic, wild swings in oil prices. Today we are sitting at 82 and change for WTI, 84 and change for Brent. That is a $13 sell-off, a $13 drop in Brent from September 27th. So handful of trading days we have lost. September 27th, we saw 93 and change for WTI. So, the sentiment around this was, hedge funds coming in, the bulls going crazy, and, we are short of supply and everyone going bananas. And what we've seen is we've seen the 10-year yield really ratchet up. And so with that 10-year yield rising, there's all this fear in the market. So the 10-year yield is rising partly because of the concerns about U.S. debt and these inflationary fear in the U.S. and globally, from food to fuel, is really just taking hold, and it's making folks nervous that the Fed is going to have to raise rates again, or at the very least keep interest rates higher for longer, meaning all of the course of 2024. And it's reducing the likelihood that we will have a soft landing, which is getting to the point of, hey, if we don't have a soft landing, which we're probably not going to have, and we have a real recession, oil demand is going to be reduced. And so what you're not hearing is folks not really even, they're fearing the China, lack of China recovery, they're fearing Chinese demand, but they're really fearing the U.S. economy and what's happening to the U.S. consumer when the consumer breaks. And so how long can the U.S. just can keep spending? And this inflationary piece is really coming home to roost. So longer that the UAW auto strikes go on, we just had Kaiser folks walk out, the more strikes we have, the greater worries we have about wage price spiral inflation. And basically, once you have these strikes, when people get their pay increase, eventually down the pipeline, people start spending more. So huge problems. I would really have folks pay attention to those massive drop in oil prices, just insane. Please listen to the latest Petronas podcast. That's on $90 oil. It's extremely relevant. Chris Atherton with EnergyNet is going to drop tomorrow this week. And I just recorded an awesome podcast with Paul Tice. He's an adjunct professor at NYU on everything ESG. Super fantastic. So talk to you soon, folks. Bye.